Hey, I'm back, and this time it's time to give back. You ready? You ready? You ready? All right, 25 days of giving to count down the 25 days of Christmas. So instead of just counting down and figuring out how many things you have to buy, it's gonna be time to give. All right, 25 days of giving from December 1st to December 25th, the last day, and then on Christmas Day, obviously, you're gonna give somebody something, even if it's not physical. Give a little hug to your family that you're gonna be with, give a little love. All right, so the way it's gonna go down is we're going minimalist style. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Have you heard of the concept minimalist? Well, think of the concept of just having things at a minimal capacity. I can't speak English. Think about having things in the most minimal way possible. The way I can describe it is being a minimalist isn't a thing you can be, it's a mindset you can have. Okay? So it's not like, oh, I'm a minimalist. It's like, oh, I think this way when I purchase things, when I buy things, when I'm in my certain space. People that are minimalists are people who truly know what is necessary for them to have. The way of thinking is these type of people truly know what is necessary for them. They don't really care about the extras and all the other stuff. If it's needed, if it's necessary, then minimalist concept, mindset happening. So in these 25 days of giving, from day 1 to day 25, every single day you'll be cleaning out and getting rid of things, but in each category you will be giving something to somebody. So for instance, we'll start with like clothes. Obviously we gotta get to clothes. Let's say you're going through your closet and you're going through tops. Out of all those things, let's say you're gonna end up getting rid of 15 tops. Out of those 15, without making any money off of it, at least one of those items need to be given to somebody else, directly to somebody who might need it or want it. If we happen to hit a category where you don't know anybody who needs, I don't know, some cleaner or some whatever category we're going through, then just donate it, and that's your way of giving to, whether it be Goodwill or something like that. But it's kind of a little bit more rewarding when you directly give it to somebody specifically than just a general group of whatever. That's just me. Before we get started on December 1st, there are 2 books I'm going to share with you. One is called Goodbye Things. I will link it in the description box below. That one is amazing. It just describes the process you're going to go through when you're getting rid of your things. And the second book is The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. Now, Goodbye Things is like the way you're going to be thinking, and if you're wondering the strategic way of doing it, I kind of go by her a little bit and I kind of don't, but The Magic of Tidying Up, that book, that's going to be linked in the description box below too. That's the kind of way to go about things in a certain way. You can go exactly the way she does, or kind of take little tidbits and then kind of do it your own way. That's most effective for you. And in case you're wondering how this is going to go down, I'm going to help you out. Besides those 2 books, I'm going to create also a PDF that you can follow along with on days 1 through 20. So day 1 might be like clothes, day 2 might be like your kitchen, day 3 might be your accessories, things you're going to go through and get rid of things. And I'm really excited to figure out what you're going to give people. If you know me, are you going to get me this sweater? Something, whatever it is, it's gonna feel really good compared to buying something and giving it to somebody, compared to like realizing how much you have. That's enough and more than enough, and willing to give it to somebody else in need. And I'm telling you, like, hand-me-downs are the best. Yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of clothes I'm gonna be giving away, so I'm really excited about it. But I'm kind of nervous because I also did this about 6 months ago, so I'm wondering if I have anything else left to give, which I'm sure I do. Instead of waiting till January when we want to work out, we want to clean all the other stuff, now is the time. Go into the new year, fresh, clean space, nothing extra that you don't need, so that you go in January 1st ready and set to go to tackle what is on your plate, whatever that is. Goals, life goals happening. So that's it. I just wanted to announce that we're going to do 25 days of giving, December 1st to December 25th. I would say get the books, but for me personally, I listen to them both on Audible or online on YouTube for free. You know what I'm saying? Start reading them if you want, or you can start December 1st. That's what I'm going to do. I read them both, but I'm going to reread them again starting December 1st. Goodbye Things is great to listen to while you're clearing out things. And The Magic of Tidying Up is kind of good to read before, so maybe read that this next week. And then so December 1st, you can listen to Goodbye Things as you clear out things. And even if you're like, I don't want to be a minimalist, just think of when it's necessary, being able to have that minimalist mindset. It's a good thing. If you don't think it's for you, give it a try. And then at least you can say, I tried it, I hate it. Or you can try it and be like, I love it. I love it so much. Other than that, I have to go. I'm excited about this new challenge, excited to do it along with you. I'm gonna be sharing with you things that I get rid of, the processes that I go through. I did it one time, and it's just something you're gonna do all the time, all the time. Comment in the comments below if you're down, if you're gonna do the 25 days of giving. We're gonna do some roll calls. We're gonna hold each other accountable. Like this or subscribe if you wanna be a part of the journey of minimalism. Even if you're not gonna take part and you just wanna be nosy, go ahead and subscribe, hit that subscribe button. And if you wanna take part, do so as well so you don't miss a video, so you don't feel like, how can I do this? I'll be right there with you in the struggle bus trying to figure it out. And feel free to comment below if you're down. Just hashtag I'm giving. Hashtag 25 days of giving. Whatever you want to hashtag, because I can't come up with good ones. Okay? Until it gets started, peace, love, and balance. Let's do this. I'm gonna be getting rid of so many things.